This transition plan video was recorded for financial power of attorney agents who have a question about when they can use a copy of the power of attorney form, or must they use the original.
I advise clients that there will be many situations when their agent can use a copy of the fully executed power of attorney form. When possible, the use of a copy lessens the risk of losing or damaging the original power of attorney form. While Transition Plan recommends the execution of multiple copies of a power of attorney form, sometimes duplicate, even triplicate, a few clients still manage to lose their power of attorney forms. So long as the principal has the capacity to make decisions, a new set of power of attorney forms can be executed. However, losing the original power of attorney form after the principal has lost capacity to make decisions is a serious problem. If the original power of attorney form is lost after the principal loses capacity, then your family may be forced to go to court to get a conservatorship, which is an expensive proceeding. Now, most consumer-oriented businesses will accept a power of attorney copy. This is very helpful when the agent must cancel transactions and obtain refunds. After the onset of dementia, people tend to become more compulsive in making online purchases. Dementia can also impair the principal's judgment, leading them to enter financial transactions that they would not normally make. Credit card companies will typically accept a POA form copy when they need, or when you need, to unwind a transaction and get a refund. Now, utility and telephone companies will also accept power of attorney copies. You may need to have that power of attorney copy available to cut off services or to change services or location, particularly when the principal must enter assisted living. Now, when dealing with the IRS on behalf of the principal, you'll have to prepare and file a Form 2848. The Form 2848 is the IRS's own power of attorney form, but you'll be able to execute the Form 2848 as an agent on behalf of the principal. It's just that the IRS will require a copy of the principal's power of attorney form before accepting the 2848. Now, banks and brokerage firms are often the exception to this advice. Financial institutions will almost always require the original power of attorney form. To guard against forgeries, financial institutions will want to review the original power of attorney form to ensure its authenticity. I recommend that agents and principals take steps to make sure that the financial institution will accept your power of attorney form. You and the principal should present the original power of attorney form to the branch manager. Banks often create their own power of attorney form and include special or additional protections for themselves. They would prefer their clients use that form. That can create a problem for you and your principal if you wait too long to get the bank's approval of your form. And I cover that situation in another video called The Trouble with Banks. If you should be called upon to sell the principal's house or other real estate property, you should anticipate that the title company will also want the original power of attorney form. Now, one set of originals should be kept by the principal at their home. Another set of originals should be kept by the agent, and in some situations, I recommend that a third set of original be provided to another trusted third person who can then help the agent or the principal if they lose their forms.
If you have other power of attorney form questions, visit the Transition Plans YouTube channel for additional videos. We also post advice to the Pre-Need Resource Company Facebook page and to www.deathcarelaw.com. You may also want to visit the Transition Plan website at www.stalterlegal.com. Each of our documents are explained on that website. The Transition Plan web page also includes prices for packages of life contracts. However, if you participate in a planning seminar sponsored by one of our affiliated hosts, we will discount the cost of your essential life contracts. Please contact that sponsor host for more information about pricing and Zoom meetings where we'll answer any questions.